Good evening everybody, welcome to my channel, that is IELTS with Nancy. In this present video of mine today, that is lecture 1, we will be learning all about vocabulary. Daily we will be learning 5 words of vocabulary and we'll be trying to use that words into our sentences. I will also be telling you how you can collocate this word to retain the same words in your mind. So let's go with our next lecture now. We'll be starting with the paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is something which is being needed in both writing and speaking, correct? If I talk about paraphrasing, so what is paraphrasing? It means restatement or rewording. Restatement or rewording. That can be done by two ways. One way is using synonyms method, and another one is using sentence interchange method. Is that clear? For example, I have a sentence that is doctors are responsible to educate patients about how to improve their health. This is the statement. If you need to paraphrase the same sentence in your own words, so what you can do, always try to start your paraphrasing with passive. It is, it should, it is true, it is believed, it is thought. Is that clear? Now, it is the responsibility of doctors to, instead of educate, you can use a synonym, that is to acknowledge. Doctors cannot teach, actually. We know that immediately one word strike of educate, that is teach. But there is a relation between doctors and patient. Doctors cannot teach patient, they can acknowledge patients, right? To acknowledge patients about health improvement. Is that clear? Now, this paraphrasing technique is very important when you want to reduce your repetition. For example, somebody is asking you, do you like traveling? So instead of saying yes, I like traveling, you would be paraphrasing that. How? Of course, I love to explore various places. I have been to a number of places in my life, be the hills of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, or Uttarakhand. But the most fascinating place, what I found, is the beach of Goa. I've been to Goa last time with my family. It was really a splendid experience that I had. Is that clear? So when you are speaking, when you are starting any answer, make sure you start with paraphrasing, correct? So when you are paraphrasing any answer, we generally start with sentence expressions. We generally start with sentence expression. Like I asked few questions on Saturday, I believe. Not on Saturday, in my last class. Describe your favorite toy. Describe your favorite car. Talk about your favorite clothes. Talk about your longest car journey you had. So whatever topics. So I always ask you to start any answer with punchline, then your general statement, and then your idea. Is that clear? let's work on few questions of speaking now using the technique of paraphrasing. The very first question is, do you like cooking? Do you like cooking? Now, we mostly use this word like in speaking. Most often we use this word. So instead of word like, what else you can use? You can use fond of, intrigue, then passionate about. Is that clear? For example, if you need to answer according to the three parameters that I told you, punchline, general statement and idea. Well, yes, of course, I am fond of trying different dishes. I love to try Chinese platters like dumplings. What is dumplings, guys? Right. Then noodles, pasta, etc. Even I am good in South Indian cuisines. Is that clear? You need to show your examiner that yes, you have a variety of words to use. Is that clear? Now, how I will be proceeding further? We will be doing 10 words today using the synonyms. Now, I need to make sure that you will be using those 10 words in your speaking. Will that be okay? Shall we try with first word now? Come on, write down the first word. Electrifying, electrifying, electrifying. Now, what is electrifying, guys? Electrifying is, good. Electrifying. The very first word that we have is electrifying. Electrifying. If I collocate this word, so we have electrifying experience. Electrifying experience. Electrifying is something splendid, very good. Recently, I took a test driving of BMW, and the experience of driving BMW is really electrifying. Though I had been to a number of places, but visiting Goa is something that was most electrifying. The cooling effect of AC is really very nice, so it was most electrifying. Electrifying is something that is out of the world. Write down third word, that is pernicious. Pernicious means something dangerous. Pernicious means dangerous, right? Now, if you want to retain any word in your mind, just collocate that word. Like dangerous situation, pernicious situation, dangerous journey, pernicious journey, dangerous circumstances, pernicious circumstances. Is that clear? Pernicious. Another word that we have is prevalent. Prevalent. Prevalent means common, something that can be seen. Prevalent. It is prevalent that the use of computers have more now. Okay, or the use of computers by children is more nowadays. Correct? Is prevalent nowadays. Well, nowadays the use of smartphones is quite prevalent. Very nowadays, children's are quite prevalent. No, it is quite prevalent among children to see the use of more social media, or the use of, instead of the use of more, use a word excessive usage of social media. Okay, when you're using the word more, try to use the word excessive. Excessive is an adjective. You can use it with noun. However, if you want to use it as an adverb, you can use it as excessively. Correct? More, right? The use of social media is excessive. Okay, excessively prevalent among children nowadays. Correct? So we have done these 5 words. Let's practice only these 5 words. Okay. The very first word is electrifying. The second word is lucrative. Third word is pernicious. Fourth word is prevalent. And the fifth word is excessive. Correct? It's not necessary that you have to entirely use all these words in one answer only. Thank you everybody for watching this video. I hope you like the video. Do comment, suggest, and suggest your feedback as well, and share this video so that I can be motivated to make more videos for you. Thank you.